Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as and when we upload videos. In this video, we are going to see in engineering mathematics topic. Under engineering mathematics, we are going to see what is the solution of differential equation. If you haven't seen our previous video, previously we have posted videos regarding differential equation and its introduction and its types and how to form the differential equation. This is the continuation of our previous videos. So we are going into the video now. What is the solution of differential equation? An equation in terms of the variables which satisfies the given differential equation is called solution of differential equation. For example, if for the differential equation d squared y by dx squared plus y equal to 0, the solution is y equal to a cos x plus b sin x. So, if we substitute y in place of y for this term in the above equation, we will get the answer as 0. This is the solution of the differential equation. For this equation, what is the solution? Y equal to a cos x plus b sin x. The solution of differential equation is of two types. First one, general solution. Next one, particular solution. What is general solution? The solution of a differential equation which contains as many arbitrary constants as that of the order of differential equation is called general solution. The solution of a differential equation which contains as many arbitrary constants as that of the order of differential equation is called general solution. Next one is particular solution. What is the particular solution? A solution obtained from the general solution. Solution obtained from the general solution by giving particular values to arbitrary constants are called particular solutions. Next we will see differential equation of first order and first degree. Before we have seen what is the order and degree of the differential equation. If you haven't seen those videos, still kindly check with the playlist. Then here coming to the point, differential equation first order and first degree. The general form of differential equation of first order and first degree is dy by dx. This is the order also 1 and degree also 1. Order is nothing but highest derivative. Degree is the power of the highest derivative. So, order and degree for this differential equation is 1. Depending on the function f of xy, these equations depend on the function. These equations are divided into 4 types. What are all the 4 types? First one is variable separable form differential equation. Second, homogeneous differential equation. Third, linear differential equation. Fourth, exact differential equation. See, variable separable, homogeneous, linear and exact. We can divide into 4 types according to the function of this f of x comma y. So, we will see in detail one by one. The first one is nothing but variable separable form differential equation. What is variable separable form? If in an equation it is possible to collect all functions of x and dx on one side and all the functions of y and dy on the other side, then the variables are said to be separable. In the name itself, we can understand what is variable separable. Separate x and dx on one side, variable x and y and x and dx on one side, and separate the y and dy on the other side, and then we can find out the solution of differential equation. Thus, the general form of such an equation is, so this is the general form, psi of y dy equal to phi of x dx. So, psi of y is a function of y dy in one side, in x dx in other side. So, how integrate on both sides, what we will get? Integration of psi of y dy equal to integration of phi of x dx plus some constant c. So, here then we will solve. Now, we are going to solve few problems regarding under variable separable form differential equation. Okay, first question is dy by dx equal to y by x. What is the variable separable method? First we are going to separate the variables same variables into one side. So separating the variables, okay. So now dy by dx equal to y by x. So separating the variables means y dy on one side and x and dx on y and dy on one side and x and dx on the other side. So take this y and denominator, what we will get, dy by y equal to dx by x. Then how to find out the solution? Integrating on both sides, what we will get, integration of dy by y equal to integration of dx by x. We know the general integration formula, dy by y is nothing but log y. Log y equal to dx by x equal to log x plus some constant c. Let this constant c equal to some logarithmic function of k. So what we will get, log y equal to log x plus log k. It is the base exponential e, okay. Then log a plus log b is nothing but log log xk. So log y equal to log xk. Cancelling the logarithmic, taking anti-log, by taking anti-logarithm we can cancel this logarithm value. So now y equal to xk is the solution for this differential equation using variable separable form differential equation. We will solve next problem. What is that? Dy by dx equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. What we need to do? We need to separate the x and dx on one side and y and dy on the other side. Before going to this is a mixture of x and y. So how can we simplify? We will see 1 plus x into taking y as common, 1 plus x in this term, y into 1 plus x. So see, this 1 plus x into 1 plus x take as common, 1 plus x into this, see, 1 plus y, right, 1 plus x into 1 plus y, here in left hand side dy by dx. Now separate the y variable on one side and x variable on the other side. How can we do? So dy by 1 plus y, dy by 1 plus y, so cross multiply 1 plus x into dx. See, 1 plus x into dx, okay. Now what we are going to do? Now going to integrate on both sides. So integrating on both sides, what we will get, dy by 1 plus y equal to integral 1 plus x into dx. So now we are going to integrate. Dy by 1 plus y is nothing but dy by y equal to log of y. So dy by y equal to log of 1 plus y. When differentiating y, dy by y, dy is nothing but 1 only. So integrating dy by y, we will get log of 1 plus y. This is the basic integration formula, okay. Then integral dx, integral 1 dx is nothing but x, again integral x dx is nothing but x squared by 2 plus c, okay. This is the correct. Integral dx equal to x plus x squared plus 2 plus c. So log of 1 plus y equal to x plus x squared by 2 plus some constant c is the right option, is the solution for this type of differential equation using variable separable method, okay. Then move on to the next problem. We will see y minus x dy by dx equal to a y squared plus dy by dx. First what we need to? We need to separate the x and dx on one side and y and dy on the other side. Now we will simplify in the right hand side. Dy by dx equal to multiply a y squared plus a dy by dx. Okay. Then taking y term on one side and x term on the other side, what we will get? X plus a. Y minus, take y minus ay squared equal to, take this term x dy by dx plus a dy by dx. So y minus a y squared in one side, keep as it is, into take dy by dx as common, what we will get? X plus a into dy by dx. Now separating dy into one side and dx on the other side, what we will get? 1 minus dy, see, dx by this term, take this y term to this side, what will get? Dy by, or in multiplication it is in the numerator, go to that, dy by y minus a y squared in this term divided by, equal to dx by x plus a, right? This go that side and x plus a dx go to that side as dx by x plus a. Now we have separated the y and dy, y variable and x variable on the separate side, on the both sides. Now what we are going to do? I am going to do one, taking y as here, take y as common, 1 minus ay. See, 1 minus ay. Similarly, 1 plus x plus a into dx. So this can be written like this. See, a by 1 minus ay plus 1 by y. See, check this term, 1 here same term, 1 plus x by a by dx. By integration purpose we are simplifying this term by this. So then multiply in, taking LCM y into 1 minus ay in the denominator, ay, see what will be in the numerator, I am writing here. This is in the denominator term. So denominator term never going to change. Take LCM ay into 1 minus ay, right, plus 1 minus ay in the numerator, ay and ay get cancelled. So what we will get? 1 divided by y into 1 minus ay can be written as a divided by 1 minus ay plus 1 by y dy. Why we are writing like this? We are going to integrate on both sides. So we are simplifying this term by this. Now we are integrating on the both side, what we will get? dA by 1 minus ay dy plus integrating dy by y equal to integrating dx by x plus a. So let us see, dy by some term, what we get? Log of minus log of ay. So log of 1 minus ay, dy by some term, by integrating dy by some term we will get log of this term, because dy by y is log y. Here what is here? dy by 1 minus ay. So we are writing log of 1 minus ay. Now we are going to differentiate this term, constant we will get 0 minus ay. By differentiating minus ay, what we will get? Minus a. So minus a, already we have 1 a in numerator, right? So minus a by a. So this minus sign, this is a minus a, this is plus a already in the constant. So dy by 1 minus ay is log of that term. So log of y, we are getting log y, dy by y is log y, but this is the basic integration technique. So log of 1 minus ay, we are going to differentiating this term, that term, sorry, minus ay is nothing but minus a in the denominator. So, plus a divided by minus a, these and this get cancelled, minus sign will carry over here. So, we will differentiate this term, dy by y is nothing but log y. Similarly, dx by x equal to log of x plus a, dx by x log of x, dx by x plus a log of x plus a. Now, we are differentiating this term, constant we will get 0, differentiating x with respect to x we will get 1. So, 1 divided by this divided by 1 we will get this term only plus some constant c. So, this is the term, a and a get cancelled, minus 10 minus log of 1 minus ay plus log y equal to log of x plus a. Here let us see equal to some logarithmic function of k. So, it is in the form of log a plus log b divided by log ab. Similarly, log a, this is a, log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b in division. So, logarithmic of 1 by 1 minus ay. Again it is log of x plus a plus log k log ab, logarithmic of x plus a into k. So, taking anti-logarithm on y minus y divided by 1 minus ay equal to x plus a into k. So, this is the solution of the logarithmic function. Okay, then move on to the next problem. What is that? X plus y plus 1 the whole square dy by dx equal to 1. Here we are going to do one substitution, like put x plus y plus 1 equal to t. Okay, differentiate, say x plus y plus 1 equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x. We are going to, because we are going to change the term by t here. So, differentiate with respect to x. What we will get? Differentiate with 1. This is when differentiating with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx. For constant we are getting 0. So, cancel it. This is dt by dx. Okay. Then this, say it is a equation 1. So, it is a equation 2. So, substitute these terms in that equation. X plus y plus 1 the whole squared is x plus y plus 1 y plus 1 equal to t. So, t squared equal to t squared into dy by dx. dy by dx, from that what is dy by dx equal to dt minus dx, dt by dx minus 1 equal to 1. So, what is dt by dx? Now, we are going to find out the dt by dx. T squared dt by dx minus t squared equal to 1. Then what is dt by dx? dt by t squared dt by dx equal to t plus t squared. This minus t squared go that side as plus t squared. Again, what is dt by dx? dt by dx equal to 1 plus, sorry, this is 1, right? Sorry, this is 1. 1 plus t squared divided by t squared. This is dt by dx. dt by dx, what we have found? 1 plus t squared by t squared. Now, taking t as one side and dx as other side. So, what we will, how can we write? See, dt, sorry, this go t squared divided by 1 plus t squared into dt equal to dx, right? So, now we are going to do one simplification, that is t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. See, t squared can be written as t squared plus 1 minus 1 divided by t squared plus 1. This is t squared plus 1 into dt equal to dx. So, plus 1 minus 1 will not going to change anyway. So, t squared plus 1 minus 1 into dt equal to dx. So, by substituting t square plus 1 this term, t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. So, how can we write? T square plus 1 divided by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt equal to dx. I can write this term by splitting these two terms, t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by into common dt in right hand side dx only. So, dx. Now, what we are going to do? T square plus 1 t square plus 1 nothing but 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt equal to dx. Now, integrating on both sides, integral t dt minus integral dt by t square plus 1 equal to integral dx. So, integral dt what is t? By integrating dt equal to t, integral dt equal to t minus dt by 1 plus x squared. It is nothing but tan inverse of t. Tan inverse of t is nothing but dt divided by 1 by t square plus 1. So, this is tan inverse of t. Here integral dx equal to x plus some constant c. So, now this is the solution. Don't forget to substitute by t by 1, t by this term. So, now tan inverse of x plus y plus 1 minus tan inverse of, in place of t substitute this term equal to x plus c. So, this is the solution for this problem. We will move on to the next problem. What is the dy by dx equal to e power 3x minus e power 3x minus 2y plus x squared into e power minus ty. So, now we are going to solve this problem. Dy by dx equal to e power, this term can be written as e power 3x into e power minus 2y plus x squared into e power minus ty. Then again dy by dx equal to, take e power minus 2y as common, e power 3x plus x squared. Okay. Now, splitting the x on one side and y on other side, what we will get? dy by e power minus 2y. dy, this come under this e power minus 2y into e power 3x plus x squared into dx. So, in denominator e power term is here. E power minus 2y can be written as e power plus 2y into dy, right. Then e power 3x dx plus x squared dx. Now, integrating on both sides, what we will get? E power integral e power 2y dy equal to integral e power 3x dx plus integral x squared dx. By integrating, what we will get? E power 2y dy is nothing but e power 2y divided by 2 plus equal to e power 3x divided by 3 plus x cube by 3, right, plus some constant c. So, further simplified into, take LCM 3, c, e power 3x plus x cube plus 3c. 3c divided by 3 equal to e power 2y divided by 2. Cross multiplying, what we will get? 3 e power 2y equal to 2 into e power 3x plus x cube plus, or outside, constant is outside, plus 2 into 3 6c. So, this is the solution for this problem by using variable separable method. So, these are all the example problems by using the variable separable method. We have in our future videos, we will solve for the another rest of the topics types of differential equation: homogeneous, linear and exact. Okay, we will end up the session. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.